Okay, DJI, seriously, what are you up to? We were all perched on the edge of our seats, popcorn in one hand, wallet in the other, ready for DJI to finally drop something official about the long-rumored Mini 5 Pro. A teaser, a cheeky countdown, maybe even a cryptic tweet with dramatic music, anything. But instead, absolute radio silence. Like that one friend who says, "I'm 5 minutes away," and then vanishes into the Bermuda Triangle. At this point, we weren't sure if DJI was planning a drone launch or just ghosting the entire internet. But just when it felt like the drone world was going to give up and start flying paper airplanes instead, leaks swooped in like superheroes in propeller caps, with none other than Jasper Ellens and drone hacks saving the day. And oh boy, the Mini 5 Pro. This thing might just be the most overachieving mini drone DJI has ever cooked up. Like if the Mini 4 Pro went to the gym, got a new haircut, and decided it was done playing nice. DJI's Mini 5 Pro is delayed to September 2025 with Osmo 360 distractions and shipping chaos. US buyers left hanging like ordering pizza from a place that's vanished. The drone is real, and leaks don't lie. DJI may be silent, but the Mini 5 Pro is loud and clear in the leak world. Renders look ready, packaging's leaked twice, one with RCN3, one with RC2. But here's the kicker, the boxes were hilariously misprinted. Even weirder, no under 249 gram label. Is DJI ditching the ultralight badge for raw, unapologetic power? A camera that punches way above its weight. Let's talk gear. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to rock a 1-inch image sensor, which is a massive step up for the Mini series. That means better low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and deeper, creamier bokeh. In human terms, your drone shots are about to look a lot more cinematic and way less budget vacation vlog. It also shoots 4K at 120 FPS, perfect for buttery, smooth slow motion. And then there's the mysterious 48mm med mode, likely a smart digital crop using that big sensor to simulate a medium telephoto lens, giving your shot some punchy compression and focus. 225 degrees of gimbal rotation. That's not a typo. This opens the floodgates to wildly creative camera moves, tilt-ups, orbit shots, even smooth vertical transitions straight from Hollywood. And yes, vertical shooting is still there, so your TikToks, Reels, and vertical stories will still look like Spielberg directed them. Remember the Mini 4 Pro's obstacle detection? It was good, but the Mini 5 Pro, it's rumored to come with omnidirectional sensors plus forward-facing LiDAR. LiDAR in a mini drone. That's insane. Think Iron Man's HUD level awareness. It'll dodge trees at dawn, chase cyclists under bridges, and probably avoid that one rogue pigeon that always photobombs your sunset shot. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to hit 36 minutes of flight time, which is 2 minutes more than the Mini 4 Pro. That rumored 50-minute flight? Likely tied to the heavier Plus battery, not the standard pack. Still, 36 minutes with all those sensors humming? Solid win. The mysteries left behind. We still don't know the final weight, OcuSync version, price, or even wind resistance. DJI is playing it real close to the chest. But let's be honest. The leaks are already doing the talking. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another Mini. It's shaping up to be the first true pocket-sized powerhouse. A drone that might ditch the 249 gram badge, but give us cinematic performance, wild gimbal flexibilities, smarter tracking, and gearhead level features. If DJI doesn't hurry up, the leaks might beat them to launch, and we're kind of here for it. Now all that's left is for DJI to actually, release it. Let's talk about Insta360. Anti-gravity upcoming drone, the ultimate DJI rival. Insta360 just dropped a bomb with its new drone brand, Anti-Gravity, and it's aiming straight for DJI's crown. This isn't competition, it's a straight-up DJI killer move. And just when we thought things couldn't get more exciting, DJI's upcoming Mini 5 Pro also made headlines thanks to Jasper Ellens, who leaked the official box image. Yup, the Mini 5 Pro is coming, and the timing couldn't be juicier. But wait, Insta360 had a move of its own. Just a few days ago, drone insider Igor Bogdanov posted on X with a wild caption, Drone Insta360 anti-gravity discovered during wilderness testing. And the image? A rugged-looking prototype caught mid-adventure looking like it just finished filming a National Geographic special. Just as Jasper Ellens leaked the DJI Mini 5 Pro box, Igor Bogdanov fired back, revealing Insta360's beast in wilderness testing. Who's winning this drone war? Team DJI or Team Insta360? So, what's all the buzz about? Well, imagine this. A drone that weighs less than 249 grams, that magic number that keeps you out of trouble with most regulators, shoots in 8K, gives you 360-degree capture, and lets you reframe your footage after flying, all without needing a Hollywood film crew. Yep. Insta360 just raised the bar mid-flight. The birth of anti-gravity, not just a drone, a statement. Insta360 is taking flight with its upcoming anti-gravity drone, aiming straight at DJI's Mini series. With a compact, futuristic design and dual 360-degree cameras, it's built for effortless cinematic capture. Igor Bogdanov's sneak peek says it all. This drone means business. Would you trade stabilization for full 360 freedom? A tiny drone with massive potential. Here's where things get seriously exciting. The anti-gravity drone may be light, but it's loaded. We're talking 8K resolution, hot swappable batteries, a metal heatsink, front obstacle detection, and smart safety tech. It's clever and considerate, like a tech-savvy best friend. If you could reframe any moment in 360 degrees, what would you capture first? More than just specs, it's about the story. What makes the anti-gravity drone really stand out is its mission. Insta360 isn't just chasing DJI's performance metrics, they're trying to redefine aerial storytelling. This drone is built for independent creators, vloggers, cinematic storytellers, and anyone tired of the fly up, pan down, fly back routine. With 360 capture and advanced post-flight editing, it's like having a floating camera operator who never complains about long hours. And for anyone new to drones, Insta360 promises an intuitive flight experience. Whether you're a nervous first-timer or a seasoned FPV junkie, the anti-gravity aims to fly like a dream. Let's not forget, coming in under 249 grams isn't just a technical flex, it's a legal loophole lifesaver. In countries like the US, drones under 0.55 pounds, about 249 grams, don't need registration for recreational use. That's fewer headaches, no red tape, and more time doing what you love, flying and creating. So basically, you get a high-end drone with pro features and you can skip the paperwork? Yes, please. Will it knock DJI off the throne? That's the million-dollar question. DJI currently controls around 70% of the drone market, but Insta360 has a proven track record of shaking things up. By fusing next-level camera tech with clever drone engineering, they may have just carved out a new niche. And if the price lands close to DJI's Mini 5, well, DJI might want to buckle up. So, what's it going to be? The tried-and-true DJI Mini or this daring new anti-gravity disruptor? Either way, it's a great time to be a drone fan.